Take a look at this. Because what you are looking at right now is not a bathroom. This is a private spa, a full hotel-grade wellness sanctuary designed exclusively for 2 people, connected directly to the primary bedroom of this $170 million estate. And every single detail in this space was built around one idea, that the people who live here deserve to feel restored every single day. Start with the centerpiece behind me. That freestanding soaking tub is carved from a single solid block of white Calacatta marble, raised on a step marble platform with ambient uplighting beneath the rim. And what is directly behind it? Floor-to-ceiling glass, open to the palms and Biscayne Bay beyond. You soak in that tub looking directly out at the water and the Miami sky. That view is not a coincidence. Rafali positioned that tub deliberately so the window becomes the artwork. Now look at the vanity area. This space is perfectly symmetrical. A his and her setup with 2 identical curved vanity stations, one on each side of the room facing each other. Each station has its own round gold frame mirror, open marble shelving lined with luxury apothecary bottles, and a full run of custom cabinetry below with rolled towels built into the open lower shelf. The walls behind each vanity, fluted onyx tile in a chevron pattern, the same onyx stone language carried throughout this entire estate. Above the his and hers zone, a sculptural gold branch chandelier with geometric crystal pendants hanging from the vaulted ceiling. And if you look through the arched passageway between the 2 vanities, that corridor leads deeper into the private dressing suite beyond. Everything connects, everything flows. On the far side, a dual walk-in shower enclosed in floor-to-ceiling frameless glass with full-height onyx marble columns, gold rain head fixtures overhead, and gold body spray jets on both walls. And the floor beneath it all, wide plank travertine limestone in soft cream tones with a custom black marble inlay border pattern running the full perimeter of the room in flowing curved lines. That floor inlay alone took skilled artisans weeks to set by hand. This ensuite is not decorated, it is crafted. From the marble tub to the chandelier to the floor pattern, every element was designed as part of one complete composition. This is how the most powerful couple in tech starts and ends their day.